Hello everyone, this is Mahinder. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 9.1 problem number 4. Let us see the question. This is the question. Diagram of the adjacent picture frame has outer dimensions 28 cm into 24 cm and inner dimensions of 20 cm into 16 cm. Find the area of shaded part of the frame if width of each section is the same, right? So given this is the frame, right? Right, clear? So this is the actual figure, right? So see, so we have to find this required portion area, right? This portion area we have to find. So let's give the names for them. So A, B, C, and D, E, F, right? So given from here to here it is 28 centimeter, and here to here it is 24 centimeter. Okay, sorry, up to here, right? Next, the this part from here to here it is 16 centimeter up to here, and this part is given 20 centimeter, right? Let's write what is given first. So the outer dimensions, outer frame dimensions, what are they? 28 centimeter into 24 centimeter. So length of outer frame is 28 centimeter, breadth is 24 centimeter. Okay, right. Next, see, so next, the inner frame dimensions, what are they given? So inner frame dimensions are 20 centimeter into 16 centimeter, so that length is 20 centimeter and breadth is 16 centimeters. So it means, see here, what is the length of this this, because see here, from here to here it is 24, right? So between 16 radius and all these are having the same length of it, right? So it means this and this both are equal. So equal length, how much is reduced? 24 minus 16, that is 8. So equal means we need to make two equal parts, that is 4, right? 4 and 4. So here it is 4 centimeter, as well as this is also 4 centimeters. So that is nothing but BC is equals to 4 centimeter. Okay, clear? As per that, DE is also 4 centimeters. Similarly, see, so from here to here it is 28. Okay, so from here to here it is 28 here. AF is 28. So from that, this is 20. The CD is 20, here it is. Okay, the CD is 20. So this is also need to make two equal parts, right? So from this CD is 20 centimeter. So how much reduce? 28 minus 20. So 8 centimeter. Again, it needs to break into two equal parts, so that this is 4 centimeter and this is also 4 centimeter. Okay, clear? Did you understand the diagram? Right. So now see, if I want to find the shaded portion area, so what is the formula? right? It's a combination of triangle, rectangle, and triangle, right? See, area of shaded portion is equals to area of triangle ABC plus area of rectangle BCDE plus area of triangle DEF, right? So let us find the area of triangle ABC first. So I'm erasing all these things. So find area of triangle ABC. What is that? Half into B into H, base into height. So half into, what is the base? In triangle ABC, AC is the base and BC is the height. So half into, what is the AC? That is 4 centimeter into BC. How much it is? That is also 4 centimeter, right? This is 4 centimeter as well as this is also 4 centimeter. So two ones, two twos. So 2 centimeter into 4 centimeter, that is 8 centimeter square. Okay, clear? So area of triangle ABC is equals to 8 centimeter square. Okay, clear? Remember that. Remember the area of triangle ABC value. Right, next. Wait a minute. I'm erasing the screen here. Right, see. Next, area of rectangle BCD. BCDE. So what is that? L into B. L is nothing but, what is the L? That is 20 centimeter. So right here. So L is nothing but CD, right? Into B is nothing but DE. CD is nothing but 20 centimeter into DE is nothing but 4 centimeter, right? So 24 80 centimeter square. Okay, so what is the area of rectangle BCDE is 80 centimeter square, right? Clear? Right, next, what is the remaining thing? This is the remaining portion to find the area, right? See, what is that? So here, area of triangle DEF. So area of triangle DEF is equals to half into B into H. So half into B is nothing but DF is the base into DE is the height. Okay. So half into DF is nothing but 4 centimeter. DE is also 4 centimeter. So two ones, two twos. So 2 centimeter into 4 centimeter, that is nothing but 8 centimeter square is the area of the triangle DEF, right? So what is the area of the shaded portion now? Yes, area of the shaded portion. So see the diagram. The shaded portion area is nothing but sum of the two triangles and one rectangle, right? C. So area of the shaded portion is equals to triangle ABC plus rectangle BCDF BCDE plus triangle DEF areas, right? So what is the area of triangle ABC? 8 centimeter square plus BCDE rectangle that we got as how much? 80 centimeter square we got, and this is also 8 centimeter square. So what is the answer? 80 plus 88, 88 plus 8, 96 centimeter square centimeter, or 96 centimeter square is the area of the required portion, right? I hope you understood. This is the solution for problem number 4, right? Thank you.